actually quite nice. Bom dia, bom dia. So we just, today's Sunday, we just went to church. We were a little hesitant because we didn't have the clothes for it, but we wanted to go, and it was actually awesome. The church was really cool. It was right underneath the Corcovado statue, which is the big Christ statue. And the one thing I love about church, hey look, say hi. Hey! They're very excited. But yeah, so you'll see here they've got the whole street shut down on Sunday, I guess. They've got this side over here is still operational for cars and such, but then this side here is totally shut down, and people are just walking, having a good time. We're gonna grab some oakberry acai. It's supposed to be the best. But yeah, so today we're hoping to hike up to Two Brothers. It's a little overcast, but not too bad. Not supposed to rain. Should be a good day, but yeah, it's a beautiful Sunday in Rio. Okay, we were told this oakberry acai is the best in Rio. We're about to find out. Garrett's ordering now. Buddy, what do we got there?
Oh,
go through each layer for us.
Little slice of heaven. We got the bananas and the condensed milk on top. Acai. We got the cocoa granola.
Oh yes.
Peanut butter.
Wow.
More acai, and then regular granola.
Holy cow. Wow. All right, buddy. Try the official first bite and tell us if it's indeed the best in town.
Yeah.
Incredible?
Yeah, it's really good.
Better than last night's at the restaurant?
Yeah, it's better. Oh, yeah.
Tata did not lie to us. I can't wait for mine. The strawberries, the acai, the cocoa granola like you, bananas, more acai, condensed milk. Honey, I think, is this one right here. I think that's honey.
Whoa.
Oh. Yeah, amazing. The acai by itself is definitely the best acai maybe that I've ever had. Without the honey, without the condensed milk, and it's still just sweet as can be. Are you kidding me? Why can't we get acai like this in the States? Because they gotta ship it in or something? Well, as you can see, we hated it. Psych! Best acai we've had yet. Okay, this is another amiga. This is Marina. Garrett met her. Where'd you guys meet?
Australia.
Australia.
Australia, and then we went together to New Zealand. It was amazing.
Okay, so she's gonna explain what this is all about.
Guys, right now you're gonna try a delicious Brazilian dish. It's not a dish, like a specialty. It's called pastel, and then you have like meat pastel, cheese pastel, dry meat pastel. It's gonna be delicious. And also to drink, they're gonna have sugarcane juice.
Ooh, oh, here we go.
Perfect.
Here.
Drink
How is it?
Oh, yeah.
Sauji. They say sauji for cheers, right?
Saúde.
Yeah.
Wait, I don't have a sauji, but you know, here you go. How is it? This is just from the sugar cane?
Yeah.
This is amazing. That's what he's doing through there.
And this is pastel.
This is pastel.
Yeah.
Delicious. That was like a jerky. This one's like cheese and ham. And what's this one? Is that got eggs in it?
Eggs and meat.
Okay, we are out here on the stand-up paddleboard. I am the first one aboard, and these guys are on their way. They're awesome, by the way. Locals here. Garrett, like we say, met her in Australia, and that's her boyfriend. And he's like a super cool, adventurous guy. He's been showing us all sorts of stuff. We would have never found this place otherwise. I mean, look at this. Beautiful town. Kind of cool right now. As I was talking, I realized the tide's just taking me wherever it wants to go. Started down there, where those guys are. And without paddling, I'm just getting pushed sideways now. This guy's towing a bunch of stuff. This is just beautiful, though. All right, I better paddle and get back to the rest of the group here. Should we go over there?
But it's harder to get there.
I'm down to try.
Yeah.
Let's try.
Or we can go there. It's easier.
Okay.
We get in the middle of the jungle.
Okay. Let's go to the middle of the jungle. Trying the one-handed paddle. It's not gonna work. Garrett! Okay, now that we're just starting, comment below if you think one of us is going to fall off before the end of this excursion. Do you think one of us will fall off? And if so, who will it be? I can promise you it's not gonna be me. Check out these houses. Tide comes in and out every day. Pretty amazing. Right on the water. Your backyard is the water, and it rises and lowers. Big thank you to these guys. We would have never found this place otherwise. Did you say tourists do come here a lot or no? No tourists usually? Yeah, we would have never found this place otherwise. No.
Locals only.
Locals only, no gringos allowed. But we have a friend on the inside, so we got in. Pretty awesome. We're high centered. We've hit a shallow spot. The fins are hitting bottom, but we're checking it out further up there. It appears to get deeper. But yeah, this whole thing's just a massive sandbar, and that's how deep it is. It's only like 4 or 5 inches right now, so the fins on the bottom are getting stuck. But we think we can get past this spot and keep going up into the jungle more. We are getting back here deeper and deeper, and it's really pretty freaking awesome. A little bit eerie in some ways, as you can see. There's actually quite a few crab. See them in there? Red and white. See if I can find more, but it's getting pretty awesome in here. Got some locals here doing some fishing or crabbing or something. Pretty cool though. Yeah, throw the net out. Very cool. Against the current's a lot more difficult than going with it, isn't it? Just a big U-turn. Yeah, the water's coming in real fast. Tide's coming in. Watch, let's do a big old U-turn. Just very, very cool vibes here. Something that we would have never found this otherwise. This is one of those local experiences that we are very lucky to have had. And it's just a chill vibe, this whole area. People are just, it's almost like the Florida Keys, but you know, it's just that super cool, chill, laid back. Nobody's in a rush to go anywhere, do anything, just enjoying their Sunday. Very cool vibes here. And by the way, the tide has come in here and picked up some of these boats. All right, we just finished the paddleboarding. We are now here at Pontal. This is one of my favorite places in all of Rio. It's pretty epic. There's a huge kind of Chinaman's Hat looking, Chinaman's Hat is a place in Hawaii, but there's a Chinaman Hat looking island here, but it's connected, as you can see in the middle, with 2 beaches coming together. We've actually hiked to the top of that, and then over here on that rock, we were over there jumping off, having a great time. This was one of my favorite spots. We're in a hurry to try and get to a soccer match, so we're not going to hike up there right now. Plus, we've got to save our legs. Garrett's doing we're doing the Two Brothers hike tomorrow, and Garrett's a little sore, so we're going to save our legs. He's going to get the drone up in the sky. We're going to get some better footage of it. But this is Pontal, and there's some epic pictures, which I will throw in the pictures right now so you can see what it's like. If you come to Rio, make this a priority. The pontal, Garrett has the drone up in the sky as we speak. But this place is truly epic. These two beaches just come together perfectly. And it's like an island, but it's not really because it is conjoined. But I've been here before when the tide was in and there was barely a sandbar there to walk across, but this is awesome. We had planned on going to the big soccer match today. It's the main team, Flamengo, in Rio, and then Sao Paulo's main team. We're here at the Maracana Stadium. It's like one of the biggest stadiums in the world. The problem is, we showed up just a little bit late and they won't even sell us a ticket. The whole thing's on lockdown. I've been to a game here before between these same two teams and it was incredible. I mean, people were like lighting fires in the stadium. There's a huge moat around the field and so like fans can't get down onto the field. So from the stands to the actual playing surface, there's like a moat, you know, like around a castle type thing. You can see it's just a massive structure. So we're gonna see if we can get in. It doesn't look like we're gonna be able to though. They got the whole thing on lockdown, but it's a huge soccer match that we just missed, I guess. Flamenco, which is the home team, they're actually already up 3-0. It is in the second half. We were just told if we go around the other side, we might have better luck there, but we're not super hopeful. But if nothing else, maybe we'll get in there and show you guys what the stadium looks like. Game's pretty much in hand for the home team, up 3-0, which is good. Yeah, no luck. Same story over there, and now we're thinking we better get an Uber and get out of here before we end up being stuck in traffic for like 3 hours. But it might be 4-0 now. Can you hear the roar? Who knows? But it was 3-0 last we heard. This is how serious they take their soccer in Brazil. It's our Uber driver.